Wait. Do you know how does a rocket land itself? For decades, rockets were single-use. Once launched, they either burned up or crashed, gone forever. Then came SpaceX. They flipped the script, building rockets like planes, designed to fly, land, and fly again. Their Falcon 9 rockets use grid fins to steer, cold gas thrusters to rotate, and engines to slow down, all controlled by AI, allowing them to land vertically on a drone ship in the ocean. And here's why that matters: a traditional rocket launch used to cost around $150 million. But with reusability, it drops to as low as $15 million, that's nearly 90% cheaper. And now, SpaceX is going bigger with Starship, a fully reusable rocket designed to carry over 100 tons to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. Reusable rockets are rewriting space history, and the future is closer than ever. Would you ride one to space? Like and follow for more space tech in 60 seconds.